What is that?
Hey.
Cocaine.
What?
Dad, Papa.
What? What is that?
Cocaine.
Is that Coconut Bob? Yeah, Coconut Bob.
Mimi.
Yeah, did Mimi bring you a book back? Oh, cool.
You.
Oh boy.
Mimi.
That's funny.
He wants to play music with you.
Max, you know what else is funny? Max was looking at his book.
So
It was
coconut.
in the flat rate boxing. And he's pointing at it. Cocaine, cocaine.
Max, where's the Coconut Bob? Where is he? Is that him? Who is that?
Bob.
Coke Bob.